Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make basbousa. This is a traditional Middle Eastern cake made with semolina and coconut soaked in syrup.
अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए।
For the cake you will be needing these ingredients. 1.5 cups of semolina, half cup of flour, 3 eggs, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of shredded coconut, half cup of melted butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a handful of almonds. We also need to prepare the sugar syrup, for which we need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of rose water, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add the eggs and the sugar to a bowl and whisk until pale in color as shown here. Now you can add the yogurt, the melted butter, the vanilla extract, and whisk everything together once again. Once everything is mixed together, you can add the semolina, the all-purpose flour, the shredded coconut, the baking powder, and the salt. Whisk away! Once the mixture is ready, you can transfer it to a greased pan. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 360 degrees. Once you have transferred the mixture, you can spread it evenly. And cut diamonds or squares into the mixture as shown here. Now you can place an almond in each diamond or square for the finished look. Your basbousa is now ready to bake for 35 to 40 minutes. While the basbousa is baking, you can prepare the sugar syrup. Add equal parts of sugar and water to a pan and let it come to a boil. Then add the lemon juice and the rose water. We highly recommend using the rose water as that is what gives the basbousa a great taste and aroma. Strain any impurities. Let this simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the basbousa is done, you can cut it along the same lines and pour the sugar syrup while it is warm. Let it cool and then serve as you like. Do give this a try and let us know if you enjoyed it. We highly recommend this recipe as it was gone in minutes when we made it at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon and thank you for watching.